guys, as you can see I just got out of the shower. Recently I've been noticing a lot of YouTube videos on beard grooming and how to groom your beard. So I thought I'd take a stab at it and show you my morning routine. So first off, let's take care of this hair. So I like to just pull it all back, make sure you don't miss any hairs. And use this hair tie, conveniently located on my wrist here. And put it all up. Okay, so that's done. Floppy bun. So on to the beard grooming. You know what, actually it looks pretty good. Good to go. So there's 3 reasons that I go about it this way. First off, I'm a real man, not one of these trendy hipsters who jumped on the beard bandwagon, who only a few years ago would have thought beards were kind of gross and only for hippies or rednecks. Second, it shaves 30 minutes off my morning routine. And finally, I save, I don't know, $50 or so in beard products. And anyways, that's my routine. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you know someone who thinks this might be funny or informative or both, please pass it along. Cheers.